Hi Zubair, how are you? Hope you are fine. Just we will wait 1 to 2 minutes. Let all the other our members, our friends join in. So our today topic is how to write SEO friendly content. It is a good topic. You will find it very useful to you. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, fine. Just checking the mic. So this topic will be helpful to you while writing the content articles for your blog or your website in the future. If you have any questions regarding this topic, you can ask me. Let other people join. In 1 or 2 minutes, I will start. Basically, SEO is search engine optimization. The tips and tricks to know how search engine thinks, how search engine ranks any website or article or post or page. All these things we will cover today, inshallah. Yes. The language I will use is English. Basically, it is the global language, so we will be using English today. I have the article also on this topic. I will share the article and some of the videos with you in our group, inshallah. Just I will stop the recording. Meanwhile, all of them join. I will start the recording. Okay. Hey friends, how are you doing all? Thank you for joining the today webinar or our class. In today's class, I will be discussing how to write an SEO friendly content. By the way, you must be aware of that SEO stands for search engine optimization. So if you are in the field of content writing, you may be familiar with this term, search engine optimization. So how to write a content which is friendly to SEO, to rank high on Google. So first thing is you have to write the good title. The title should be catchy. The title should be clear and cut. The title should be on the topic, covering the topic which you are discussing. Then the most important thing is your content's body, that is body of content. So suppose you are writing the article on how to write an SEO friendly content. So your title might be how to write SEO friendly content. Now the body of the content should start with a heading. Heading might be similar to your title. Then the introduction part is very important. The introduction part is very important. In the first sentence, you should use the key phrase you are describing for your content. If you are a WordPress holder, that means you are using WordPress hosting website, then the plugins like All-in SEO, All-in-one SEO, and the other plugin Yoast, they give you focus key phrase. That is the theme of your SEO article. So your introduction should be containing the key phrase of your article. Suppose, like we say, how to write an SEO friendly content, and your key phrase is SEO friendly content. Okay, so then your introduction might be, do you want to learn how to write SEO friendly content? So your key phrase was in the first sentence of your article. Then you have to divide your body of the content, that is your article, in headings and subheadings. So your key phrase should be there in the headings as well as in subheadings. But too much of usage of key phrase in your headings and subheadings make your article worse. So don't do that. At least 40 to 50%, 30 to 40% your headings and subheadings should consist your key phrase. Then the important thing is images. You have to use catchy images. The images should represent the title of your article, the key phrase, and whatever you are explaining the points. If you are using the images, then that is well and good. And the second important thing is the alt attribute of images. The alt attribute of the images should consist your key phrase. Our key phrase is SEO friendly content. Then your alt attribute of your images should have how to write SEO friendly content or something else, SEO friendly content. One of the images should contain the key phrase. Okay. Then the important thing is you should have internal and external links in your article. Don't exaggerate. Just whenever you are writing the article, you have some articles written in the past that have deep meaning or in depth. Then you should give link to your previous article. And you may have research on the websites on the Google, and you uses many websites to write your content. So it is good to give them backlink. Suppose I am writing this article from digitaldeepak.com. So I have read and studied and I am using some of his images or some of his data. Then we should give the external link. So if you have one internal link and one external link, that is good for your SEO friendly content. Then next thing which comes in your article is content length. Approximately you suggest, and all-in-one SEO suggests that you should have minimum 300 words article. But nowadays, the lengthy the article, the best SEO friendly article is. So you have to write the article as long as you can. But the article should be meaningful. Suppose our article is SEO friendly content. So whenever someone visiting your website or this particular content, he has a problem that he is unable to write SEO friendly content. And you are solving his problem. What is his problem? He is unable to write SEO friendly content and he want to know the tips and tricks that works best for SEO friendly content. So your content should solve the problem of the user. If the user is satisfied, then Google automatically rank your content on the first page or on the top of his Google search engine search pages. So one of the important thing is you should focus the users, your audiences, your consumers, your customers. Because if you write something XYZ and your article is unable to clear the doubts of the user, your article is unable to clear the problem of the user, then user will go back and your bounce rate is increases. If the bounce rate increases, Google understand that your article is not relevant to the topic the user is visiting. So your article should be, or your post should be gone to second, third, fourth, or X number of pages. So you should target the content. You should target the content. You should solve the problem of the your user. Then sentence and paragraph length. You should write the small sentences and you should also use many paragraphs, 3 to 4 sentences, then change the paragraph. And after each paragraph, use subheadings. Whenever you use subheadings, your article, your user will understand that here is we have to. So I am telling that you should have small sentences, and after 2 to 3 sentences, you should change the paragraph. This is, you will master this thing while writing. Keep on writing, and you can expertise on it. Then I am saying that you should use, after 1 or 2 paragraphs, you should use subheadings. The more subheadings you use, the user will understand, oh, this is a subheading, that means I am getting this topic in 2 to 3 paragraphs. So your content will be more readable to your user. So one thing you have to keep in focus, that don't focus the search engine, you have to solve the problem. And meanwhile you are solving the problem, you have to check whether your article is up to the mark of the search engines also. Two things you have to keep in mind. One thing is you should solve the problem of the user. Second thing, you should use keywords. What is keywords? What is keyword research? So you should research the keywords. One example I will show you. Just we should go to Google. Just wait. Okay. Suppose you want to learn about digital marketing. Okay. You go to Google. This is your query. This query is the keyword for the website's owners. So if you look at this query, just go down. Google will give you related searches. So these are the keywords: digital marketing course, digital marketing PF, digital marketing meaning, digital marketing benefits, types of digital marketing concept, digital marketing company, digital marketing wiki. Or another thing is, just write digital marketing and give space. Google will suggest you. This is auto suggest of Google. It means that normally many people are using these things to search for to solve their problem. Like digital marketing course in Hyderabad, digital marketing blogs, digital marketing agency in Hyderabad, digital marketing meaning. So let us suggest digital marketing course. Then give space. Look, digital marketing course PDF free download. Let's add free in the starting. Free digital marketing course in Hyderabad, free digital marketing course with certificate, free digital marketing course online. Or you can use Ahref keyword generator also. It is a free tool. Just I am writing digital marketing course. Okay. And I am selecting the country India. I am not a robot. Look, digital marketing course, 74,000 monthly search in India. Google digital marketing course, 18,000 searches. Digital marketing course in Delhi. It is for Delhi people, 8.3K. If you are in of Hyderabad or another state in India, then search for it. This is keyword density. If you have more than 40 or more than 50, you are less likely to rank on the first page of Google. You have to work hard to rank on the first page of Google. So you should use the long tail keywords. Like the digital marketing course in Hyderabad, only 40. You can rank. 3.2K is not bad. In month, 3,200 visitors you will get on the first, if you rank on the first page of the Google. So you should take this in consideration. I have a video on this keyword research. I will share with you. You can be benefited with it. So hope you understand the today's topic. What I was explaining to you, how to write a good SEO friendly content. Your main focus is the user. You have to focus on the user problem and solve the problem. The more long your article is, the more chances you will rank on the first page of the Google. So any doubts, guys? If you have any doubts, you can use the chat and ask your doubt. Mm-hmm. One more thing, meta description. If you are using Yoast, etc., you have meta description. You should use that meta description. You can use tags also in meta description. Suppose our article is SEO friendly content, so you can write SEO friendly content, comma SEO, a good article on SEO friendly content. The tag meta description volume is you have to use 140 to 160 characters, not more than 160 characters, and best is more than 140, less than 160. And also key focus keyword you will be there, and Yoast and all-in-one SEO will suggest you where are you missing. The title length should not be more than 60 words, so you have to keep these things all in the mind. And if you are using Yoast and all-in-one SEO, and if you are checking your errors and resolving them, you can master the SEO friendly content. Thank you very much, guys. Hope you got the topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.